Ang sabi ng Bible is this. Bigyan ko kayo ng example doon sa 2 Chronicles chapter 26 verse 3 and verse 5. Uzziah was 16 years old when he became king, and he reigned 52 years in Jerusalem. Sabi sa verse 5, he sought God in the days of Zechariah, who had understanding in visions of God. As long as he sought the Lord, God made him prosper. Ano ang sinasabi sa atin dito? Kung ang bawat isa sa atin will seek God, okay, God will make our nation prosperous and strong. Kasi nung panahon ni King Uzziah, wala namang naggera sa kanyang kingdom. Walang nakipaggera sa kanya. Okay, yung mga surrounding nations were in peace with